Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11th. In this video student, we are going to understand the bubble sort. So let's begin. So to start the particular Python, ideally you have to type the Python ideally in a GUI mode. Then after that we are going to just open a new file that will have a program for bubble sort. In bubble sort, actually students list containing elements in unordered way. Suppose that here mlist, the value are, we can consider here number. Suppose that 2910500, then -7, then 6. So here are some kind of element we have which is support the numbers. In bubble sort students, the lighter element will come first and the heavier after that. It means to say, as the name suggests, bubble will be lighter will come and heavier fast. It means to say it will sort your data in ascending way. That means to say smaller to bigger one value. So here I am going to just simply print before sorting the data is, we can say that simply mlist. Okay, if I'm going to save it, so here sorting, I can say this particular sorting as B sort, that is bubble sort. So you can see that before sorting the data is 2910500 -7 and 6 as it is that I have given here. Okay, and here the main logic will start for bubble that is bubble sorting. So what we are going to do is student here, we are going to take a loop that is I, and in range we will say everything will start from 0 because index will be always start from 0 because list supports the indexing value also. And here I will not count here the number element. Here what I will say, I will just use the len function, and here mlist I will say, because mlist suppose that how many element will just we are going to count. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So here you can see 7 elements are there, and according to the for loop n minus will be just run, that is 0 to 6. And here I will take another variable that is j, that is inner loop. I will say j in range. Inside that I will just compare the value, not by itself, otherwise it will consider as duplicate. So that's why I will take I plus 1 till then same, that is mlist. Okay, and here I will say if the aware value is bigger than the letter one, so I will swap it. So I will say mlist of definitely I if bigger than mlist of j, that is next one element, so swap it. So you know, third variable I will use temp, that is mlist of I. Okay, and then mlist of I will store, that is mlist of j value, and here is mlist of j will store the temp. Okay, so you can see after that I will say print simply after sorting the data is, we can say definitely mlist. So I'm going to run it again. You can see in second time before sorting data is 2910507, I mean to say -7 6, and after sorting data is -7, that is lesser one, then 0 1 2 6 9 500. So student, we have just done the practical how to perform the bubble sort. In bubble sort, data elements will be arranged in a form of ascending order, that means to say smaller to bigger, and this logic actually compares the neighboring technology with the help of, suppose that 2 will compare to 9, then 1, then 0, then 500, then 700, and then 600. Like that, if there is any element is smaller, it will exchange the value, I mean to say swap the value, according to its positional index value. And the first one, if it is complete, second one compared to its again 1, then 0, and so on. So till the 7th element, I mean to say 6th element, it will perform the comparison. At the last, it will arrange the order of the particular element in a ascending order. I hope student you have learned it. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day.